So you have been running maintenance and cleaning business. If you want to stop turning away business and losing thousands of dollars each month, then it's an opportunity. Because most people think it's easy until they themselves witness how managing workflows can be a total mess. You are looking for a solution that can handle your business with care, then you need PnaPna program to manage. This can be easily sorted out with our auto SMS notifications, which have control of your customer experience and staff. All those tools are automated through PnaPna support teams that are in all likelihood own cleaning businesses. So it's easier to talk about the features of PnaPna software, which provides new cleaning service clients and support to the maids who are using this software. So that's really a plus. You are always listening to your customers' wishes and you've been incredibly responsive when people say, "Man, I wish the software would do this." Then you respond and hire your programmers to create a new feature where it allows small business into your platform without committing to a big expense. It's a valuable resource if you want to grow, automate, and have freedom as a business owner. So, let us handle your operations. Sign up today for a demo with PnaPna software.